Hello students, very good morning to all of you. Today I am going to discuss my third video lecture of the class 7, that is our functions. So students, this one is purely based on the Excel formulas of chapter 6. You see and check and verify that one, okay students, and try to understand what I want to say that. Okay students, so student, come to the point, what is our functions? So here I have written one of the definition of the function which is given in your book. So you see carefully that one. See student, functions are predefined formulas in Excel which are used to perform complex calculation and data analysis. The students, you see, according to the definition what I have written here, you check here. The student, here I want to calculate, okay student, according to the point which are used to perform complex calculation data analysis. That means, suppose student, here I want to delete these three things. Okay student, come to this one. Suppose I want to delete that one, okay, and see total I have totally deleted, and how to calculate using formulas, means function. The function which are used to perform complex calculation. You see, if after that I have inserted the physics number of the student, chemistry, mathematics, after that I want to calculate the student total, then find out the percentage, then find out the rank also. In rank also we can put the formula, okay student. So first of all, you see student, in total, okay, I want to find the total, okay. How to calculate? In the previous two classes I have already displayed. Today I want to show by the function, how to use the function formula. So you see, go see student, in the formula tab, this is your formula tab. In the formulas tab, then click on the insert function, this one. Inside the insert function, so these are all the functions group: average, sum, if, hyperlink, count, max, min. These type of the functions are available in your MS Excel. We can use the one by one functions. So see student, in average, and this is your formula, average number 1 comma number 2 inside the bracket. That means, you see, suppose I want to write the average, okay, so this one, you see what is written here, number 1 comma number 2, number 1 comma number 2. What is this? So here student, here average is the function name, average is the function name, and number 1, number 2 are the arguments, okay. You see, in this way student, all these things, when before the bracket what you type here, what you write, this is denoted as the student what, function name, and this is our argument, what I want to insert inside the bracket, that is our arguments, okay. See student, so in this way this is your average, okay. So once again I want to tell you how to use the function. So first of all, you insert, okay, then select the range of the cell, what you want to calculate the total suppose, then go to the insert function, okay, then click on the sum. Okay, then click on the OK. Here I have selected these three, so that's why you see C5 to D5. Yes or no? C5 number 1, C5 to D5. Yes or no? But I need only the physics, chemistry, math. So D, E and F. So this one will be the what, student? D5. This one is the D5, D, E, then F. Then here you can write the F. Okay. Then student, you can do the what? Click on the OK. Student, suppose again I want to write here. Click there. Okay, student. Select this one. Again go to the insert function. I want to calculate the student sum. Then click on the OK. D5 to F5. D, this one equal. Okay, then go to the insert function. Then this one, not this one, this one. Then click on the OK. E5 to G5. Okay, and click on this one, 55. How it is possible? Though thus 2, 8, 10, 5, 15, etc. So 155. In this way you can use the student functions. Okay, and then drag over it. This one is a what, student? Copying the formulas. Okay, student. In this way, in the same case also, you can insert the student. You can do also student, go to the insert function, average, count, max, mean, what you need, you can easily calculate. Again you click insert. Suppose I want to write here average, then how to calculate the average? Go there. Again equal. Suppose select this one. Okay, student. Then insert function. Click on the average. Okay, E5 to H, E, F, G, H, but I don't need the H, I need the G. Okay, then click on the OK. Okay, student, see why it is showing the error? Because E5 to G5 plus average, that's why it has shown the error. You just delete this one. If you want to place this one, if you write here average equal short function average, okay, E, F, G, okay, you see average. Is that clear? The student, in this way you can use the also average function. Okay, so student, in this way you can use the function, the benefited function. This is a complex calculation which can help to easily calculate. Okay, so student, in this way you can discuss also. You can use the max, mean. Okay, how to use the function I have already discussed. Then how to use the function, these type of the things I have discussed and already, and also I have shown you. You see this one. If you have doubt, then ask me. That's it. Thank you.